Hello. Alright guys, we're in lesson 1 of the Jasperactive for PowerPoint, and I know that almost everybody has completed the creating new presentation, so I'm going to start this recording with the second learn exercise here, which is changing slide options. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the learn, and that will load up our screen and our exercise. All right, so here's my window, which is the PowerPoint window. And if I click on it, it becomes active. Okay, so that means that I can actually do tasks on it. And then on the right is my panel here. I just wanted to point out that if you clicked on this little circle here, it actually makes your questions go down to the bottom. Some people might like that, but if you don't, you can click back on there and have them move to the right side. So before I begin, I noticed that there are 2 parts to this learn exercise. So I have to do both of them before I press the submit button. Okay, so the very first one is called change the slide size, and it has 4 steps. So let's start with step number 1. Step 1, click the design tab in the customize group. Click the design tab, okay. In the customize group, click the slide size. And note that there's a custom slide size, but then there's 2 most commonly used sizes over here. So according to the question, it says click on standard 4:3. So I'm going to click 4:3. Okay. And next step is select maximize and view the slides. Notice that some of the text and portions of the graphics are now outside the slides. So I'm going to go ahead and click on maximize. What I'm doing is that I'm scaling the slide to a new size, right? So let's go ahead and click on maximize, and now my slide changed. Okay. Step number 3, click undo on the quick access toolbar or use Ctrl-Z keyboard shortcut. So this is the quick access toolbar. It has 4 basic tools over here. You could even add more if you'd like, but by default, there are just 4 tools here. So let's go ahead and click on undo, and it took it back to what it originally was. Step number 4 says, oh no, and then it says step number 3, that click on the design tab again, okay, and in the customize group, click on slide size again. And then it says in the customize group, click slide size and then select standard once again. So I'm going to click standard once again, but this time it says click ensure fit. So I clicked on ensure fit, and I'm actually done with this step. So I'm going to mark it as answered. Notice how it turns green. And now I'm going to go to the next question. Next question. On the design tab, okay, we're in the design tab. In the customize group, click slide size and select custom slide size. Go down and custom slide size. Okay. In the slides sized for drop down list, this is the slide size for drop down list. Okay. Select on screen show 1610. On screen show 1610. Okay. Click OK. Ensure fit, and then view the results. Now you can see that it looks slightly different. Number 4, return the slide size to standard 4.3 ensure fit. So let's just go back here, 4.3 ensure fit. Okay. So what was the purpose of doing this? The purpose of doing this was just to see how the slide size option works. Okay. All right, we're done with this. Now we're going to go ahead and submit it. All right. And we got 100%. When we're done with this, we're going to return to Jasperactive. And now we can do the next learn exercise. All right, I'm going to continue in another video.